Hello, classmates. Today we're going, you're here in the bus. I'm Jobert, and I'm going to, I'm here today, we're going to interview, an exclusive and live interview with an ex-convict with his family, and with his wife, and with the real killer. First, let me introduce you to the real killer of the person, Makar Senshi. Next, may we call on the wife of Axelon. Lastly, the ex-convict himself, Ivan Dimitris Axelon. And here we have our audience. Remember, we should be on TV. They are the only ones Why did you leave the knife inside Axelon's bed?
I was going to kill him, but suddenly I heard a sound that makes me immediately hide the knife inside his bag. So I jumped outside the window.
Oh, so audience, do you agree with what he said?
No.
Then, what did you decide to confess to Axelon?
In fact, guilty. But no, what Axelon speaks to me, covered up for my own face.
Oh, so next, the wife of Axelon, why did you accuse your husband of doing the crime?
Well, I accused him, my husband. I suspected him because when he was a teenager, he was a riotous person. And I thought that, and his face looked like a criminal. So I thought that he would do that. But I was wrong. I just hurt his feelings, and with that, I'm sorry. So now, right now, after that I knew the real killer was Makar and not my husband.
Komenta lahat atin.
I really want to put my trust in him more. That's more.
Thank you. So now, Axelon, please answer this question. What did you feel when you were arrested?
I know that's not me, but I just
Tattoo!
I think quite because they will me.
Tattoo!
So,
Joaquin, Putata.
No, I didn't kill. I was good person. And I don't know.
Hello?
what is your opinion that you were against?
Actually,
Tattoo! Where's your friend?
So, why did you forgive the man who killed the merchant?
I forgive him because I know that he does it. I forgive. He didn't mean it. So, I forgive.
So, last question. What are the things that made you remember your experience in jail?
That's what I'm saying. person that are to, what do you call that? They're very, what, addict? They put tattoos in my body.
Yes. Tumisilip. Pakita ka yan. Relia.
Have parental guidance.
Sensor.
Let's go, G-Friends!
Si Mia. Mother Earth.
Wait, this tattoo, Manila, the teacher in the jail. Beautiful. She is a good teacher. She always tell me good English. And she is always telling me, Mother Earth, and don't crumple the paper. This boy lives in my brief at point.
Live in my brief.
Mommy in my uniform. This is my favorite animal. And this animal.
Sige, okay.
Thermal test. Ah, wait. You is okay. And not the least.
Tribal.
I trust
Nagpatato lang yung Kalimutan na mag-Manyakol.